Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. Monkey's just there. What we're going to be doing today is just had these delivered. These are from Thompson and Morgan. These are some petunias. So just get these open first. Just get the scissors. These upside down. So then we want to just flip them over like so. There we go. These are, what's it say here? We have, so what we have, the Petunia Cosmic Joe is Petunia Cosmic Pink, Petunia Cosmic Purple. These look great. These are going straight into these 9cm pots that I've got here. That's one lot. And then we should have over here this lot as well. Get these open. Wow. Look at these. These are a little bit smaller. These will come on fine. And these are, see what it says here? Easy Wave Ultimate makes 24 plugs. So these, let's get rid of all this rubbish, folks. Today's it. I shall stick these. This can go in these. I don't want to make them too large. The pots, the 2, 4, 6, 24. That will go in great in there. That'll give them enough chance to develop. But yeah, I'm really pleased with those, quality of those. Let's take one out and let's have a quick look, shall we? Just yeah, look, little pots of 6. Just get a little pen on you, but just to loosen it from the bottom. There you go. Really nice, good quality. I'll just give these a little bit of water just before I can take them out. But there's no damage to any of these. They all look brilliant. These a little bit of water, even though they don't need it, to make sure the roots are nicely moist before I go potting on. Like I said, these on special offer, and I thought, why not treat myself? Like so. These packets come through the letterbox normally, but every one of those should survive, which is absolutely brilliant. I'm dead pleased with those. And this is a really good show. Like I said, I'm going to use these trays here. What I'll just do with these, just get your compost into your hands. Always like to do that, just to break up any large bits, so there's no air pockets in each cell. Get any big bits. Get a little bit more compost I might need here, just to fill these up. Once they're full to the top like so, I just go around, just giving them a little tap down. I'll just get a little bit more compost for those. Okay, just get these finished off. Just a little bit more compost. Hope everyone's keeping well. Always love this time of year. Getting seedlings, potting on, anything you've ordered starts to arrive in this time of year. Like these are little plug plants, which I really enjoy using. So what I'll do with these is just give them a little tap, little squeeze at the bottom normally does it, and little tap, and a little pop. I should get a pen for those. Just give them a little push through. Which is great. All the way to the end. Yep. That way you're not damaging any roots. Just get all these done. It's a bit windy here today. one. So you can do it that way, or you get a knife as well. You haven't got anything like that. Just down the side. Like so, like that. Either way is fine. As long as you're not damaging the roots, that's the main thing. Once you've got a bit less roots on, not all going to be perfect. Like I said, they are fiddly, these ones. The other size, like I said, because they're not potted up into anything, they're a lot easier. Yeah, that's 12 of those done. What we're doing now is start putting these on. Right, that's these all done. So all we're going to do then, use your pen, plant them the same height that they were in the little plugs, pots. Really quick and easy. The good thing about these is, because you're not growing yourself, you've got a really good root system on these. So even if you do damage a bit of the root, it's not the end of the world. It should come back really well. It's really fast. It's when you've got a lot to do. Take a lot of time doing this. I enjoy doing any part of gardening. Absolutely love it to pieces. And really relaxing. Chills me out if I'm worried about anything. Come in here, put some plants on, water some stuff, give stuff a feed. And things look a lot better when you've been here for an hour or so. Especially now the weather's getting nicer. Not having to have the stove on as much. My wood burner. It's brilliant. Yeah. That's the first 12 done. All you need to do then is, once I put it on like so, give them a nice water. Try and get rid of any compost on the leaves. Just let them settle in like so. And anything that needs a little bit more compost, like this one, don't hesitate, just go back round, give it a top up. And these will go to the back of my greenhouse on an unheated bench, but they're in the top. So they'll be getting plenty of heat from the sun during the day. And at night time, I'll have the wood burner on, so it won't go below freezing, and these should be fine now. So yeah, that's my petunia plants from Thompson and Morgan. Forget what I've got now. What these called? Look, these are called Cosmic Pink, Cosmic Yellow, and colour pink and purple. And then I've got another one. I don't remember the name of. I don't remember the name of that one. Anyway, they're really good values at the moment. Thompson and Morgan, can't recommend them enough. Actually, you've seen the quality that come here. Really good quality plants. Really nice size. Even this size, these will come on leaps and bounds. For the next couple of weeks, you'll see these grow tremendously once you start feeding them. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video with me and Monkey. If you enjoy watching my videos, please give me a thumbs up and a like and a follow on Facebook or YouTube. If you like my videos, please subscribe and like. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Say bye, Monkey. Bye, Paul. Bye, Monkey. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.